The FIMI X8 Mini V2 drone is a compact and lightweight drone, weighing less than 249 grams, which makes it convenient to carry and does not require FAA or remote ID registration. This drone boasts a maximum transmission range of up to 9 kilometers thanks to the latest TDMA video transmission system working in the 5G band. Equipped with a precision 3-axis mechanical stabilization gimbal, the FIMI X8 Mini V2 drone is capable of shooting smooth and steady 4K ultra-high-definition video. With 2 batteries included, this drone offers an extended flight time of up to 62 minutes, and the batteries support fast charging through a Type-C USB port. The FIMI X8 Mini V2 drone is designed with a reliable flight control system, allowing it to fly safely even in winds up to 38 kilometers per hour. Despite its high-end features and performance, the FIMI X8 Mini V2 drone is priced at a reasonable $349.99, making it a great value for money.